This 2024 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40FKDS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40FKDS is 10,510 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.